The massive build-out of artificial intelligence infrastructure has triggered a permanent structural reallocation of global memory capacity. This shift is creating a supply shortage that drives up device prices and increases volatility across enterprise supply chains. With market relief not expected until at least 2028, companies are overhauling their long-term planning to adapt. This chart shows projected PC and smartphone prices climbing 10 to 20% as memory costs erode margins. Budget markets feel the impact most. In the sub-$200 smartphone category, shipments are expected to drop 20%. To protect margins, manufacturers are reducing standard component counts and moving away from legacy memory formats. These combined pressures have established a new baseline for global electronics pricing, altering the economics of consumer hardware. AI data centers are the core driver of this demand, now absorbing 70%. This diagram defines the 3-to-1 rule of high-bandwidth memory. Every AI chip produced requires 300% more wafer capacity than standard memory. As hyperscalers lock up supply, the physical complexity of these chips is displacing the manufacturing capacity used for everyday consumer electronics. The technology ecosystem is facing a zero-sum game, where enterprise AI growth directly consumes the supply of consumer devices. Escalating U.S.-China trade tensions, tariffs, and export controls are capping production expansion across Asia. This timeline shows the 18 to 24-month lag required to construct new fabrication plants, meaning new capacity will not reach the market until 2028. Because of these timelines, major memory manufacturers have already committed their production capacity through 2026. This physical time lag guarantees sustained market volatility, as quick capacity adjustments are impossible. Governments are injecting billions through legislation, like the U.S. CHIPS Act, to build domestic manufacturing hubs. However, the bottleneck is human. 77% of semiconductor firms face shortages of the skilled engineers needed to run these facilities. Capital investments must be paired with specialized workforce training to close this skills gap. Simultaneously, global R&D is shifting to emerging technologies, like photonic chips, to bypass the limits of standard silicon. Resolving the memory crisis requires both specialized human capital and technological breakthroughs. The high demand for AI is remapping the technology ecosystem and the global supply chain. To adapt, firms must secure long-term collaborative supply agreements and invest in their talent pipelines. Planning for a quick return to previous pricing levels is a risk. Preparing for sustained constraint is now a business necessity.